Hey y'all, this is Ann at Georgia and Alabama Campers, and this is the 3400 XL from Vibe. It's a 2026. This is what I'd call the Big Mama. It is a great big old Vibe, all the cool Vibe finishes, so nice inside, but room for everybody. And don't forget, make sure you hit subscribe and that little bitty button down there, and then you'll get notified of all of our videos as soon as they're on the lot. So hold on just a minute, let's go in. All right, y'all, this is the 3400 XL, and one of the first things I want to show you is in this big rear living, you've got plenty of seating, you've got big theater seatings, you've also got a jackknife sofa here, but you also have two ACs here. So there's two ACs back here in the rear living area, and then there's also one up front, and I'll show you that in just a minute. So as we come in, let's kind of take a look here. You've got a big space here, you've got this jackknife sofa, theater seating, a dinette, a bar, counter space everywhere, and then entertainment. So starting here, so as I sit right here in my big theater seating here, I've got plenty of room. I can talk to anybody that might be here. I've got friends that might be sitting right here on this couch, people that are cooking, people that are hanging out. Super big area to entertain at the camp space. All right, so I've already talked to you about the bar. So we've got the seating that comes in here. Now let's talk about this. So in the kitchen, look what you've got. Big panoramic windows, campside, so you can see everything that's going on outside while you're inside. Lit pantry. So guys, isn't that nice? Just such a great feature. Underside too, plenty of space here for storage. We've got the standard 3-burner stove. Now this microwave is a convection microwave air fryer, so it's a 3-in-1 down here. Space down here for storage. We've got our charging spot, which I love because it's hidden. Plenty of space down here. 4 drawers for storage. So silverware, utensils, everything. Got plenty of space there. And then check this out. This bar can be for a coffee pot, a teapot. You could put another air fryer or a crock pot back here. Plenty of space with a plug. More space up top. And y'all, this is deep space. So like you notice, not like deep space, but you know what I mean. So this is finished spot, but then all of this storage goes way back. So you got super big space back there. Big residential style sink with a faucet. Also additional storage under here. Refrigerator, standard 12-volt refrigerator freezer. Want to mention again, big AC unit back here. Then almost a secondary pantry, but oh, look how deep this is. First of all, it's lit, which is so nice. Big space, super deep. So like my hand's going in almost up to my shoulder. So that's probably 23 inches, maybe 22 inches deep. Okay, got a place to sit and eat. So maybe you guys are sitting here playing cards and then somebody's over here watching a Star Wars movie because I did say something about deep space. You've got a big jackknife sofa. Plenty of space here. So if you think about it, seating for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 here in the living area. Okay, so let's go back here, go to the bathroom. Well, we don't have to go to the bathroom, but you know what I mean. All right, guys, here in the bathroom, big shelf, nice shower. We've got the hidden curtain, which I love. Always make sure you keep that closed if it's wet. Potty's got knee space. I'm going to give it 5 out of 5. Plenty of room. And then check this out. This new mirror got lighting behind it, which is super nice. Storage underneath. A little bit of cubby storage right here. All right. Now let's go up to the master. All right. Another AC, wanted to point that out. Now, guys, check this out. This is an east-west slide. Now, I just love an east-west slide in the bedroom. Gives you so much room. You can walk around here. We'll go talk about that mirrored area up there. But first, let's talk about this. You know what this is? This is a wardrobe closet with hanging, or it's already prepped for a washer-dryer. So, you want a washer-dryer in here? No problem. These shelves easily come out. Pull them out, put the washer-dryer there. But for now, we've got some big shelves, and on these, if you want to hang stuff, that's easy. If not, collapse it away. All right, Y'all, there's another fireplace in this master. That's so cool. This big area, you can put all kinds of stuff up there. Storage underneath. All right, so then let's go up here and take a peek up here. So you just undo this bracket, and y'all, this is just finishing so that it doesn't get scratched before the customers finally get it. And then look at this. This is like almost like a California closet. We've got shelving over here. We've got a wardrobe bar, overhead storage, shelving over there, shelving underneath. Y'all, you can put a ton of stuff up here. I mean, you could put a dog up here, a cat, maybe even a baby. I'm just kidding, y'all. Don't send me comments about that. I'm teasing. But it just bracket locks right there for storage. TV backer board. 3 ACs in this 3400 XL. I do think I'm going to call this the Big Mama because it's got so many big spaces to entertain. Y'all come see this at Georgia Campers or at Alabama Campers.